Hey YouTube, it's me, Cody, and once again, it's time for one of those taste test videos. But today's taste test is gonna be a little hard, and quite a little painful. I don't know if I want to do this, but I feel like I want to. I'm not trying to, but I just never had it before. So I'm gonna try the ghost pepper spicy chicken noodles. And I know where all you are thinking. You see these on like YouTube of like people doing challenges, like crazy noodle challenges. But for my channel, I really don't do challenges, and I don't want to. I'm saying that I don't. It's not part of my channel. These are just taste tests. So let me show you. I did put the water and I drained it, and yeah. All right. Next I'm gonna do is put the sauce in. Hold on, let me. This is gonna look ugly. Oh boy. Yeah. All right. This is gonna be delicious, but really hot. Okay, just put that in, and I'm gonna mix it all up. Get that in there. All right. Yeah. Hey, that's also, I'm gonna take a picture of this because I just want to. I was thinking me weird, but yeah. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Yeah. All right. This is what it looks like. See, that looks ugly. That looks so ugly. All right, on the count of 3, I'm gonna take my first bite of this. All right, 1, 2, 3. Yep, there's a spicy kick to it. So, this is really hot because it's the ghost pepper, which is where is that? What? Excuse me. Sorry. 1 million. Oh. Sorry. 1 million over the Scoville. Sorry, 1 million over the Scoville scale. I'm so sorry. Just get like hiccups when I eat spicy foods. Alright. Sorry. Alright, that's the end of this video. This is really... Sorry, it's really hot. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video, and if you like this, and please don't try to attempt to try the noodle. I'm not saying about it, but it's just really hot. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.